Blow performance exhaust installation video. Remove the gearbox forward body bolt. Attach the support bracket. The bracket itself is maneuverable in 360 degrees. Make sure that the slanted end of the support bracket is attached to the gearbox. It is crucial that the support bracket is attached to the gearbox and not the chassis. In the location of the center bolt housing, place the other end of the support bracket between the two exhaust pipes. Once it's placed in between, adjust the support bracket to the required distance and tighten.
Gearbox bolt.
Leave the center bolt relatively loose. Continue adjusting the support bracket and the angle of the pipes. Make sure the alignment's correct. Then tighten all the nuts and bolts evenly, going from front pipe to back pipe to your support bracket. Continue this slowly and carefully. Adjust the support bracket so that the pipes are 2 to 5 millimeters away from the clutch cover. Do this several times, slowly adjusting and tightening as you go along. Once all tight, lock in the support bracket lock nuts. And there you have it. Take your time, it's quite easy.